Many individuals struggle with effective calorie management, whether it's gaining or losing weight. The challenge lies in understanding the right strategies and the routines to achieve their desired body composition. According to the result of a survey conducted by Kementerian Kesehatan Republik Indonesia in 2022, only about 22.5% of Indonesians have ever counted the calories they consume. This figure indicates that there are still many Indonesians lacking in terms of calorie awareness. The survey also shows that individuals who have counted their calorie intake tend to have higher levels of knowledge about nutrition and health. They also tend to maintain a healthier weight and are more physically active. Hello everyone, I'm Betha. To overcome this problem, in this Capstone project, my team and I created a user-friendly application that guides users to get number of calories according to the user's needs. We call it FitForma. FitForma is designed to empower individuals with the knowledge and support necessary for making informed choices and optimizing their nutrition. This application will allow users to input their personal profiles, including name, gender, age, height, and weight. It will calculate the user's basal metabolic rate and BMI, provide physical activity recommendation to meet health goals, and analyze the calorie content of food by scanning images.
FitForma implements food scanning that is more focused onto the specific types of food it has, such as fried rice, where you can add a variety of toppings for. For example, we use fried rice with soy-side-up egg and shrimp fried rice. As for improvements, in the future we will enhance the machine learning algorithm and refine the dataset to be able to detect more variety of food and scan more accurately. Now, the reasoning that we implement this is because it will be more convenient and effective to scan the food directly than to search on how much calorie the food contains. And also the scanning is faster because it scans directly from the application into the machine learning model. The applications that are similar to FitForma that we are going to compare is Calorify. Firstly is the food scanning, both of which the applications have. Secondly is that FitForma has physical activity suggestions for people who want to follow a healthier lifestyle. Next is the various types of food classification. What this means is that we focus on the specific types of food. Lastly is that we will add a daily food plan for FitForma in the feature updates.
In this section, we present the results of our team's work. Here there is documentation in the form of screenshots from the FitForma application. Firstly, there is the login page, followed by the registration page. Next, there is a page after registration that is useful for users to understand BMI categories before proceeding to the main application page. Next, we enter the main page, which displays an illustration of the user's body with the calculated BMI and BMR result. Alongside it, the result of this calculation will be displayed with their respective categories to help users understand better. Below that, there will be goals, which are suggestions or activities that users can apply according to their needs. Then, we move on to the next page, which is the food scanner. Here, users can upload images from their gallery or take picture of their food, which will then result in the calculation of calories, carbohydrate, and protein. Finally, there is the account page, which is useful for accessing user data.
Move on to documentation. On machine learning, we start by collecting datasets from Google, ensuring diversity. Our pre-processing includes adjusting dataset size for balance training, validation, and testing. The core of our project is a custom model. We further refine the dataset by incorporating Google image focusing on specific food classes like nasi goreng polos and nasi goreng udang. This refinement combined with model optimization resulting in satisfactory performance.
Here are the libraries that I used to develop the application. Among them, there are Firebase authorization and Firebase Firestore, which are used to store user data. Additionally, I use Android X, which is useful for implementing various functions in the application. There is also the TensorFlow library, which is used to implement the food scanning. The documentation in section is more or less the same as the result.
Documentation for backend side is the R for APIs that we create. These are get user by ID, and get access token for authentication and authorization. In this backend, we use Go as a programming language and Echo as a framework for easily development. That's all for our documentation. In the local deployment plan, a detailed timeline infographic outlines the strategic progression. There is a breakdown of the key milestones. In the first month, we locate and integrate additional datasets, enhance the machine learning algorithm, and improve the user interface and user experience application. In the second month, we boost application awareness through enhanced advertisement and outreach. In the third month, we conduct a thorough analysis of user feedback and gather insight from user interaction, review, and suggestion. In the fourth month, we implement new features based on user review and feedback. In the fifth month, we expand image scanning capabilities to recognize food beyond Jakarta and enhance the application ability to identify and categorize dishes from different locations. The last month, we collaborate with nutritionist, food blogger, culinary expert, and further improve the dataset based on expert input and insight gained from the collaboration. Next, my friend will explain about business bits.
This is our estimated budget plan for the next 6 months. As you can see in the table provided, we estimated the things that we need and how much it costs.
Here's our budgeting expectation based on 10,000 funding for FitForma project. Our heavy expense are on the market research and competitive analysis.
Next is target market and marketing strategy. This app focusing on individuals seeking wide management and those prioritizing health. Our marketing strategy combines a broad approach to engage diverse audiences, commitment to credibility throughout strategy, partnership with nutritionists. This goal approach ensures our solutions are not only widely accessible but also grounded in expert insights, providing a comprehensive and trustworthy option for our target market.